Hi everyone. We're going to talk about the Grand Magnetic Hoop because this has become my favorite hoop of all time. If you haven't seen it or had a chance to experience it, it is a game changer. So what I love about it is, we've had our metal hoops in the past with the magnets, the round magnets. This is actually much, much nicer. It'll only work on the Creative Icon 3, so you want to make sure to pick up your Creative Icon 3. But let's see the bars, how easy they come out. And we have this acrylic template that comes with it. And this is what you do when you're setting up. If you're using like a lightweight sheer fabric and you've got some stabilizer, what you're going to do is you're going to lay your fabric down, put the template in place, and then you can put the magnets in place so that your fabric's not going to move on you. But for a quilt, this is really especially wonderful for quilting. The way the template's made is there's cutouts for the magnets to be in place. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay your fabric down, and you're going to get your quilt in there, and look at how easy it is to see whether your lines are straight or not for your quilt blocks. And then you're going to be able to put the magnets in place, and you can adjust the hoop and the quilt very, very easily, right? Do you see how easy that is to do? Now, this is, there are some designs that are made especially for this hoop, but look at that, isn't that amazing? And once you're done and you've got everything the way you want and you're ready to embroider, then all you do is lift the template off and you're ready to start your quilting. This is perfect for edge-to-edge quilting, but let me just show you a couple of other things. And when you put this in, you're just going to put the needle and the foot through an area that's open like that. And they have really included and gone above and beyond what we would have ever dreamt for. So it is so exciting that they've added some new quilting features in embroidery for quilting your quilts. So if I go to Stitch Out, some of the options that you're going to see, there is quick quilt settings for our quilting in the hoop. And what you can do when you turn that on, I'll turn it off so you can see. Normally we have ActiveStitch technology on when our machine is turned on. There are now other options for bobbin pickup. You can use that when you turn the quilt options on, but also when you're doing other things like maybe lace designs or designs where you want the front and the back to be perfect and you don't want the bobbin thread, the top thread to come down below. This will allow you to pick up the bobbin thread. So if I turn on quick quilt settings, it will do three things. It will automatically turn off the ActiveStitch technology so your regular tension's on, and it will turn off the cut command so that you're not going to go and have the cut threads down on the bottom where they might get quilted into place. And then the last thing that it's going to do is give you the option for the bobbin pickup. So if I touch apply and then I go forward, and you got to see this because this is brilliant the way they've done this. All right, I'm going to connect my hoop, and you can see it's just simple little press down, and now my hoop is connected. All right, I'm going to touch the needle up down button. All right, now normally in embroidery we don't touch the thread, but in this case what we're going to do is we're going to hold the thread and we're going to touch the start button. It will take one stitch, and then over here it's going to give us a message for best results, pull up the bobbin thread. And that's when we can come back, and as we pull up, it'll pull the bobbin thread up, and now you won't have any extra thread on the bottom when you start your quilt. Isn't that just a fabulous new addition to the Creative Icon 3?
I love that.
Yeah.
We don't have to, the back will be as nice as the front.
Absolutely. Make sure to come in and see the launch party that we're doing in September. So make sure to check it up and sign up, because I know that it often gets filled up fast. I've got so many great projects to show you, and I don't care if you embroider or you sew, you're not going to want to miss hearing about all these great features.